Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, heart sinking as you realize you're about to overdraft? You're not alone. That's where Chime SpotMe comes in. But how much can you actually overdraw? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty of Chime SpotMe limit. Okay, so you've heard of Chime SpotMe. It's basically like a financial safety net that prevents those dreaded overdraft fees. But there's a catch, it's not unlimited. So, how much can you actually rely on when those unexpected expenses pop up? The basics of SpotMe. Let's start with the basics. Chime SpotMe allows you to overdraw your account by a certain amount without charging you those pesky overdraft fees. It's like a small loan from Chime until your next paycheck hits. Pretty sweet, right? The SpotMe limit. Now, the golden question, what's the limit? Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer. Your SpotMe limit starts at a modest $20. But don't get too discouraged. The good news is, it can grow over time. How does it grow? It's all about building trust with Chime. The more you use your Chime account for direct deposits, the more you spend on your Chime card, and the longer you're a member, the higher your limit could climb. It's like leveling up in a video game, but with your money. Factors affecting your SpotMe limit. So, what exactly does Chime look at to determine your limit? Here are the key factors. Direct deposits, regular, consistent direct deposits are like gold to Chime. The more you deposit, the more they trust you. Spending habits, using your Chime card for everyday purchases shows Chime you're a reliable customer. Account age, the longer you've been a Chime member, the more likely you are to see your limit increase. Account history, no overdrafts, no funny business, this is how you build trust. SpotMe boosts. There's another way to temporarily boost your SpotMe limit, SpotMe boosts. These are like little gifts from Chime or your friends. You can send and receive boosts, which can increase your limit for a month. It's a fun way to help each other out and potentially access more SpotMe cash. Limitations and considerations. While SpotMe is a fantastic tool, it's important to remember it's not a magic money machine. It's not a replacement for proper budgeting. Always aim to avoid overdrafts whenever possible. And remember, your SpotMe limit can change at any time based on your account activity. Final thoughts. So, there you have it. The Chime SpotMe limit is a dynamic thing that depends on your financial behavior. While it might start small, with consistent use and responsible spending, you can gradually increase your limit. Remember, SpotMe is a privilege, not a right. Use it wisely, and it can be a lifesaver in a pinch. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.